Hello and welcome once again to this series on natural health business opportunities. My name is McNutt, and I am putting together a series that will work not only to give you some ideas and things to think about if you're examining a business opportunity, but this is also a series that ultimately will be great to use if you have an organization and you want to educate some people that are coming in new as to what they should look at, things to be aware of. That as they join your organization, if you are with a really solid leading organization, stay with it. But this is a tool that could help you a great deal as you go through the whole series. And again, each video in this series is only 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 or 5 at the most, and it's good solid content. And I might say that the series takes a little longer to produce than the few minutes that you see on tape here. The truth of it is, this is a series that was 30 years in the making. There's a lot of experience that goes in this. And I've taken the nuggets and boiled it down so that you can have some stuff, some good solid information to go by. And this is real. And if you examine the companies who have done well and have been successful, you'll see that the material contained in this series is consistent with what you'll find with those major companies. Today I'm talking a little bit about the company. This is the number 2 segment in the material regarding a company, what to look for in a management team. Some really important considerations here. The management team is the heartbeat behind the distributor base. You have a distributor base of people who will ultimately grow to be thousands, tens of thousands, and in many cases hundreds of thousands with large successful organizations. There needs to be a heartbeat behind it that is live and vibrant and able to continue to support and grow that organization. It's also necessary to understand that a single product and standing on a single product, as good as it might be, if you're standing still with a single product, it's impossible to move forward with market development. You need to have a company that is willing to grow, do the research, and have the funds necessary to research and grow and bring in new products. And also to stand the explosive growth consistent with the successful companies. If it is to be successful in network marketing, you're going to hit a period of explosive growth. And that's where the 6- and 7-figure income earners come from. That's where leaders really come from as a company grows and becomes as well established. You can be one of those people if you first choose the right company at the right time and all those kinds of things. So in this segment, what I really want to do is I want to lead you to understanding what to look for in the company that's going to give you the best shot at aligning yourself with a company that's destined for success. You can have 1 or 2 guys that come up with a great product and some great ideas. But if it's only 1 or 2 guys that are the head of the organization, it takes a team of people to run a large ship. Well, think of this as a large ship, and it's going to take a team of people with multiple skills. So let's look at some of the qualities that you want to identify for the leadership that's going to drive this thing and create the success that you're looking for. Qualities to look for include experience in running a large, successful business. And by the way, I should make a note there. It's a large, successful business both in traditional and in network marketing. That's an unusual combination, but it exists, and there's companies that have that position. So experience in building a successful network organization as a distributor. That distributor perspective is critically important. Experience in controlling the finances of a large organization. Finances are important. A company needs to be debt-free. They need to be in a position to expand and manage explosive growth and look towards the international expansion. That's not done on a shoestring budget. The experience in organizing major events. Events are and always will be a critical part of a growing organization. And you need people who can organize these things and do with those things what needs to be done to encourage and excite your distributor base. It's just critical. So you have to have a company with the foresight and understanding and the logistics experience to put together major events. You need experience in managing a lucrative compensation plan, and this is a really big deal because there's lots of compensation plans to draw on, but there has emerged certain things in compensation plans that really make a difference, and you want to know that you are involved with a leading-edge compensation plan that's going to take care of your needs now as you continue to grow, and for that unlimited resource of income, ongoing passive residual income that has no limits. So you want to make sure the compensation plan addresses those issues. You want somebody that's experienced in managing international expansion. Huge for large organizations that ultimately stick around for a long time. You want people who are experienced in communicating with and developing or motivating a large network of distributors. This is really critical. You have to have people who can express their vision so that the distributor base can own and share in that vision and be motivated to follow people who have been where they want to go. It's really important. It's a critical thing. You want to check out the management team carefully. It is your future at stake. You do not want to limit your future to a company that has no future. I want to thank you for taking the time to check into this video and to follow this series. You're going to find a lot of really good information to go by. And again, each segment's going to be fairly short. There's also written articles that support this, and if you go into the website that I've got listed on the video and in the description, you'll find a resource that you can tap into this material. And you'll also be given some emails to support this training so you can document what you've learned here and have something you can pass on to your distributors as you build a successful network. I thank you. I wish prosperity to you in this process and that you can make some good, wholesome decisions. Your future is awesome if you associate yourself with a company whose future is really awesome and going somewhere. Thank you. I'll talk to you again soon.